How long does it take from early opportunity to the mutual action plan today? How can you ensure nothing falls into crack over months of engagement? We simplify the customer engagement process and accelerate the Phase Zero assessment with the innovative technology Digital Brain. You may not know everything, but the areas of customer interest in the early engagement. No worry, you simply tell us abstract ideas. We get you the most concrete design model as a jump starter. You may fill the online form or just email us, including some keywords or hot topics. For example, industry, business challenges, process area, business capability, or even market events such as COVID-19. You may simply say, automotive industry, and client is interested in vehicle specification changes and SAP transformation initiatives, called S/4HANA transformation. Then, request us to assemble the most relevant design model, which works as an accelerator. You will receive an email within 1 or 2 business days in general. The email includes a link to a dedicated workspace, where you can enter the Solution Design Accelerator. Once you log in, the link guides you to the recommended view as a starting point. It shows not only the relevant capability to the vehicle specification change, but also the enabling functional capabilities, such as vehicle model artifacts that provide the standardized specification options. This is just the beginning. You can select one of business capabilities that your client is interested in. In the right-hand side, Digital Brain semantically guides users on what to understand and what to plan. You can see what common business problems it addresses, what type of business processes are impacted, and what process strategy is generally implemented for this capability. In this case, Digital Brain recommends standardization. You can also navigate to the reference business model, in the same context. This capability normally impacts on the new vehicle sales. And the new vehicle sales for the retail customer segments are supported by these types of supply chains. Selecting one of the supply chains, you can further navigate into the end-to-end supply chain processes and logistics network. You can go on and on like this, until you have the full picture of planning, in the context of the client's hot topic, vehicle specification change. It also gives you an option to start from the planning area you want. The starter view offers 6 to 8 different entry points. From the success definition, to the business model, and the organizations and end-to-end scenarios, the process inventory and strategy, as well as the planned and active technology solutions, and more. No matter where you and your team starts, Digital Brain will always ensure the design is aligned, because these planning areas are fully integrated. You started from the abstract ideas. Digital Brain knows what he needs for transformation planning, and it assembled the most meaningful accelerator for your customer. Most of all, the accelerator provides the full picture of transformation planning contents, which helps your team to ensure design alignment, without missing critical parts of solutioning. Now, you are ready to engage with your clients, with the personalized accelerator. They might have dumped random documents before the meetings. It is most likely to get less than 20% of what you need. We can also provide the SAP report program. The customer IT staff can simply run it on their ERP systems, without troublesome technical installation, and send us as a CSV or text file. We can upload and combine the customer data into the accelerator, filling the remaining 80%. This certainly enables your team to drive a conversation, in the language of customers. You can now make the customer requirements explicit, communicating with this pre-built visual accelerator. For the rapid assessment, you may consider 2 to 6 meetings or sessions in general. In the first meeting, your team follows Digital Brain guidance to make the change story explicit, together with the customer attendees. Here in the filter, you can see the reference model and the uploaded customer data. You can open up one of the customer cards and make clear what that implies, simply following the Digital Brain guidance. For example, what organization is it relevant? What about critical success factors and the current business challenges? Which product lines contribute to this goal? Business attendees may suddenly bring a new business topic. For example, what about sustainability? How are others doing? You can simply filter the reference model and visually facilitate the right discussion. Here, one of the goals is to build sustainable products for sales increase. On the right side, Digital Brain recommends what to discuss. Such as, what makes this sustainability success? What are the common pain points? What business capabilities are others implementing? You can also select this goal, then make it yours. Here, you open the sustainability goal you want. And simply change the status. That's it. All the connected information, such as KPI metrics, the impacted end-to-end supply chain, required business capabilities, and even the IT solution candidates per the selected business capability, follows as a chain of knowledge. You can go on and on like this, explicitly visualizing the value of a change story, and making it transparent across all the key stakeholders, no matter when and how they participate in this project. With Digital Brain Cloud Solution, your team can collaborate with various stakeholders, make the end-to-end change story explicit, and share the story across silo organizations. This creates the shared understanding on transformation vision, and drives organizational alignment for successful execution. Though it depends on the size of engagement, we will deliver the live solution design model in the Digital Brain, and if needed, with readout documents within a week after the requirements meeting. You can continue to use the Digital Brain as a communication platform, and hand it over to the implementation project team. In addition, you now have customer design as data, which helps you to build the next compelling proposal without disconnect. With our symbolic AI solution Digital Brain, we simplify the customer engagement process, and accelerate the Phase 0 assessment, for the customer's timely decision making.